Hi, I'm Jody with 123 Minimize, and today we're talking about office supplies. So if you're like me, over time, your office supply container or drawer accumulates a lot of stuff. Our tips today for you are to gather all of your office supplies in the house, organize the things that you use regularly, and one tip is to use bags or containers or rubber bands to keep similar things together, and dispose of everything that you no longer use or want anymore. Also, you can donate your unused office supplies. So let's get started. So the first thing I do is I just start taking stuff out and gathering similar things together. So I did pick up these inexpensive containers from Target. So what I'm gonna do is start organizing stuff as I go. And at this point, I'm just gonna take out the miscellaneous stuff and set them to the side so I can start putting stuff back. Okay, so I'm just gonna dump the rest of this. While I'm organizing, if I find something that doesn't go in my office supplies, I'm not going to run it to my bathroom because I might get distracted and start organizing my bathroom. So what I do is I just put it in another container, and then when I'm done, I take all this stuff together and deliver it to different areas of the house that it goes. Thanks for joining me today. Good luck organizing your office supplies.